Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a butterfly knife from CSGO, and I hope you enjoy. So for this tutorial you'll be needing glue, a crafting knife, and some 110-pound cardstock, plus a pencil or pen, a ruler, and also you need to have the power of being patient and never giving up. So if you have these, then we're ready to go. So you want to start off by folding the paper in half and put glue on it, and you want to spread the glue with the paper and then glue it together. And you want to make 4 of these. And after you make 4 of them, you want to glue them on top of each other. And then leave it under some books for 24 hours to dry. And once that's drying, you want to get another piece of paper and put glue on it and then fold it together. And then you want to fold it again and then put glue on it. And then after that's done, you want to leave it under some books for 24 hours to dry as well. So after you finish that, you want to print out the cut sheet in the description below. You could also use another picture from the internet. So you want to just cut these ones out. And after you cut them out, you want to get duct tape and then just put some duct tape under, and you could glue it on the piece of paper and then just trace it. And you make sure you want to trace 2 of each of the handles, and plus 2 of the really short looking knife thing. And after you finish tracing, you want to cut it out. So if you cut off the blade first, after you finish cutting it, you want to glue it. So basically like what I'm doing right now. And also when you're cutting out the handles, you want to remember which one's on top of the blade and which one's on the bottom. And also you can use a filer to file down some of the parts, And after you finish cutting the handles, you want to get the card sheet and just trace out the circles. So all the holes that you have to use. Now you want to get a toothpick or any stick, and then you just want to mark the holes and then just drill a hole. You could also cut it, but you need some very good skills. So after you finish drilling it, you just want to put the handles on, and you want to keep spinning both of the handles, and every time it gets stuck you just want to cut a bit of it out until it fits, and it can move around very smoothly. So now you want to just fold the handles together and then mark where the blade isn't touching. So basically I got 3, and then I'm just gonna trace out these shapes depending on how much space you had. And also you want to get another scrap piece of paper from the cutting of the blade and just draw this shape. And before, for the little part of the shape that was supposed to be on the other piece of paper that you left under the books. So now you want to cut that out. And you just want to cut it out and then glue it back on where you cut it. And you just want to do these 7 times to all of them. So I had 3, so I have to do it 21 times. So the next step is optional. It's only if you want to do a skin, which I kind of just wanted to do. So just drew this and just colored it in. And because of the skin I chose, it also had these extra parts, so I have to just cut out some extra shape. And now you just want to glue on the little piece of those paper that you did, and just glue it on the side where you marked it, and then just glue it on top of each other as a support so it doesn't just fall apart. So after everything's done and it's dry, you could get a filer, and to make it more like the actual in-game thing, you just want to file the top handle there. And make it to look more like the in-game thing, you want to cut a line all the way to the end there, which took me really long. So after you finish cutting it, this is what's gonna look like. As you can see the line there, and also the filed parts there. So now you're finished. So if you're wondering which skin I was doing, well, this is the one I just randomly found on the internet, and I thought that I had the colors to do it, but I didn't, so it just turned out to look like this. So anyway, like this video if you do, dislike if you don't, subscribe if you want to watch more, leave a comment below for questions of what you want me to make next. And also click on the top right to watch my previous video about making a CSGO Korean ambient hybrid. So yeah, peace out.